Hi friends, this is Manisha Chaudhary and I welcome you back to my channel Manisha's Craft Ideas. And in this video, I wanted to share my two new bulletin boards which I have recently finished but didn't get the time to document them step by step while making it. And they're rather very interesting. They were done by myself and my co-teacher. So let's take a look as to how it was done and how they looked and the kind of elements, what we have used inside and what is the thought process behind. I'll share it with you. So stick around and let's see.